Hello everyone, you're welcome back once again. My name is Victor Odigoma here, and in this little discussion I'm going to have with you, I just want to share with you, like I said some time ago in the when uh, I uh, celebrated, I showed us um, an award that African Union gave me in line with being uh, an ambassador of mathematics. Okay, so I felt like I told us then that I'm going to share with us in one of the videos the experiences I have got teaching mathematics and one of the procedures that I have applied and I saw that it is effective. So I wanted to share this with my colleagues out there. We might learn from each other. Okay. So there is something we call participatory method of teaching and learning. Let me say it again. Participatory method of teaching and learning. What happens there is that you as a teacher, you see yourself like a sort of facilitator. Just to say everybody in the classroom is given chance to participate in the learning process. Everybody in the classroom is given opportunity to participate in the learning process. I have tested it and it works. Yes, it works. Because I realize that when you give these children, your students, opportunity, chance to participate in the process, in the teaching process, and in the learning process, I realize that they build this type of, this sort of confidence within themselves that, oh, I can do this. Wow, I can do this. I didn't know that I can be able to stand here to say this. So what do? I break it into, you know, stages. The first stage is that I come to class and I deliver my class. Okay, I come to class and I deliver my class. Do the normal teaching, you know, explaining topic, the elements, the issues, the subtopics, the objectives, and solving examples and giving instances as many as possible. And as you can see, 675. What do I do next? So divide through by 3. So what do we have? 3y squared over 3 equals to 6/7/3. I think this. So the next phase after that teaching and explaining all that I needed to be explained, the next phase is I come to the class and I give to the students 5 to 6 to 7 as many questions, strong questions as possible. I share them into various groups as you can see in the next clip. Please, I explain in detail that the purpose of these videos I'm going to show is to educate and inform. It's never targeted at achieving anything extra. Okay, so as you can see, I share my students in groups. Like in a class, you share them into 4 groups, assign questions to each of those groups, and allow them to go and discuss those questions by themselves. And then when they are done discussing those questions, I select by myself an individual from that group. Yes, randomly, I select by myself. The essence of that is that everybody, when they now know that they could be the one that will be selected, takes it serious. Yes, they take it serious. So I select by myself an individual from each group that will come to the board in front of the class and defend the question given to them. Another thing is I inform them that among these 5 questions I have given you, one of them or two of them is going to be the test question I'm going to issue you after in the next class. Now, when you say something like that, nobody wants to fail. Nobody wants to fail. Everybody, you see them, oh, you can see in the video what is going on there. Yeah. So this method is called participatory method of teaching and learning. I tell you, it has made students that didn't want to learn mathematics before to sit up. It has really made students that didn't want to do anything to sit up. And they started developing passion, interest, coupled with the counsel we give them and try to make them to understand that, this is your future and this is what you're supposed to do and all that. They now take it seriously and come out to study and to learn and to pursue their dreams and try to become what others are. So I adopted this method and it has been working. It has been effective. It has been effective. So you can see also in one of the videos where I made them to understand that this is going to be your test. You can see how serious everybody is in, working hard, trying to make sure that they are cooperating and finding out what is going on. And then you see the nature of the situation when the test is being written. So my colleagues out there is not exhaustive. I'm not telling you that this is the all it takes to be the best. But I just want to share this experience with you and trusting God that if you consider this, you can apply it in your school or in any teaching environment where you are and give the students opportunity to participate in the teaching and the learning process. And you will see how effective it's going to be in helping them to flow in understanding the topic you are teaching and in doing well in examinations that are going to follow. Thank you so much for being there. Please, if you like what we are doing, send it to someone out there to be a change agent, okay, to make impact and to influence, to be an influence. And then like our video, share it, click on the subscription button and on the notification button so that we have a lot to deliver. Thank you so much as you partner with us. God bless you. You remember that time? Yeah, sometimes. I got